Hi everyone, today we've got a Toyoa Hiace van. The year is 2016, so this is the old shape and it's a diesel car. To open this seat, you first have to go here, you loosen this, buckle it, and then here there's a little clip you push, and then make sure your seat is tilted forward so you can pull. And then here there's a lever to clip it on. The battery, the model is 70ZZMF with the positive on the left hand side. So it's generally a bigger battery because this is a diesel van. First of all, what I do, everyone's different, but this is what I normally do. This is a 10 mil. I would loosen this up. Take this off, put it under here so it's out of the way. So when you take the battery out, it's a little bit easier. Then I would remove this cap because it gets in the way. And then the next bit is I take this off, which is a 12 mil. 12 mil. I take this off because it's easier than fitting a 10 mil in here, and it gives you a bit more space later. Now remove this. Take this off. Take this off. And then now you can access this pit, which you can do this. Then with a bit of wiggle, you can pull it out. There you go. You can even take this off to give you more space. The next part is use a 10 mil here. 10 mil socket. Loosen this one up. And there's also one here. See there? Take this off. Then you can get this out of the way. Now you can lift the battery out and put the new one in. Now we've got the battery here, 70ZZMF. First of all, we use some petroleum jelly, coat the terminals. That way there's good contact and corrosion doesn't easily form. Just coat it and then place it in. With the latch is secured, then you can secure it and then you can put the battery terminal on. Okay, now you can put the battery terminal on. Tighten this with the 10 mil. Make sure this is facing this way so you can put the terminal on. So you got all the cables connected to the positive. Put this on. Tighten it. Make sure it's tightened. And then you put the the negative terminal on, and also charging it. See, now it's got power, alarm system's going. Before we start the car, do a charging test. It's charging at close to 14. And that's how you change a battery on a 2016 Toyota Hiace. Thank you for watching.